Hello, this is a one-person studio here, and welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called Snail Run. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the goal so I can understand what to do, and the second part of this video is me actually solving the puzzle. So let's read the goal. We have a snail race. We will have to determine the winner. The number of snails is given in the variable number snails. Each snail has a speed given in the variable speed snail. You have a map of the game with a height of mapHeight and a width of mapWidth. On the map we have number that represents a snail from 1 to number snails, an asterisk which represents a place where the snail can go, a hashtag which represents the destination. Snails can go right, left, up and down, but it cannot go diagonally. The snail takes the path closest to it. This is an example of a game from start to end. Obviously, for each race, there's going to be one winner. I'm not going to use PHP. I'm going to use let's use C#. So so the first line which the coding game provided is basically an integer. This one is an integer that it's for the number of snails. The for loop is the integer that speeds snail for the speed. And the next line is, which is here, is an integer of map height, which basically means it's the height of the map. The integer map width means it's the width of the map, and the next for loop means it's basically a string row for one line of the map, and the output, which is right here, means basically a number that represents the winner of the race. For the constraints, 2 less than equal to number snails is less than equal to 6. 0 less than equal to speed snail is less than equal to 6. 2 less than equal to map height is less than equal to 6. 5 less than equal to map width is less than equal to 9. There's only 8 test cases from simple run, the race in progress, if one arrives, what happens if it's a mess, and 3 difficulties. So now I'm gonna use my own input, so I'm not gonna use any of that, but it should be similar. So now the second part of this video begins.